We'll guide you through how to open PSD file in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because not everyone has access to Adobe Photoshop, but still needs to open and edit PSD files. To begin, you need to prepare the PSD file, which is the standard format used for layered images. This PSD file can be obtained through the Adobe Photoshop application. So start by opening the application by right-clicking on the shortcut icon and selecting Open. After making your edits, save the edited file as a PSD file by going to the File menu option, then tapping Save, where you can also use Ctrl+S. Next, determine the save location for the PSD file so you can easily find it later. If you do not have Adobe Photoshop installed on your device, PSD files can also be obtained through other means, such as downloading them from a browser or receiving them from a friend. You can also check the files you have saved or downloaded by accessing File Explorer on the taskbar. Locate your PSD file, then right-click on your file and select Properties, and look at the file type to confirm it. You will see that this file is a .psd file. Next, open your browser by double-clicking it. Click the search bar on your browser, type Photopea in the search bar, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to search. From the results, select the desired site, where the topmost page is Photopea.com, and when the website opens, it will look like the Photopea interface. Look for the Open from Computer option and click Open from Computer to proceed. Then, browse to the location of your saved PSD file, click the PSD file, and open it to load it into the editor. Finally, you have opened the PSD file in Photopea and can begin working with it. This process ensures compatibility and allows you to edit layers, adjust images, and save changes without losing quality. By following each step carefully, you maintain proper file formatting and avoid errors when opening or saving your work across different platforms and applications, especially when transitioning from desktop software to browser-based tools like Photopea for quick and accessible editing tasks. Ensure your internet connection is stable to load the editors smoothly properly.